calculating the mode. In this video, I'm going to look at how you can calculate the mode and use this information to perform statistical analysis. So first, let's start by looking at what do we mean when we talk about the mode. Well, what we're talking about is it being the most common number. Why is it useful? Well, typically you can use it to find out what the most common response was from a set of data. So let's now use a question that I've used previously in my videos. So the example question is, B produces a questionnaire and asks 10 people to answer the following question. On a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being very dissatisfied and 10 being very satisfied, how would you rate your experience of the YouTube channel? And as you can see, they are the example results that we got. So let's help to calculate the mode. The first thing we need to do with our data set is we need to tally up all the responses that we've got. So you can see what I've done there on the right hand side. I have one person who gave the score 1. I have one person who gave the score 6. I have 3 people who gave the score 7. I have 2 people who gave the score 8. I have 2 people who gave the score 9. And I have one person who gave the score 10. It's clear to see the most common response was 7, so that is my mode. It really is as simple as that. So what can I draw conclusion wise? Well, firstly, it really is that simple to calculate your mode. Now we now know the most common score that was provided was the score 7. So as a result, the most common view from the respondents was a positive because they scored as a 7 and they thought the BeeBusinessBee videos on the whole were positive. Of course, we may use a spreadsheet application package to do this sort of calculation if we've got a wide range of data, and I will produce a video showing you how you can do that in the future. But until next time, remember, keep buzzing.